Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you. Today is Friday 16th of December and we are here to analyze market क्या लगता है daily observations. So Nifty, Bank Nifty both witnessed a good euphoric fall yesterday and this fall has in a way changed the Dow theory for at least hourly time frame so far. If you recollect in last Friday's market क्या लगता है, the weekly market क्या लगता है video, we had categorically spoken about Friday's lows are important for both the indices, and right now both these indices are sitting very close to the Friday's low. Now here in this case I would like to share certain observations with you which were shared with the growth module students yesterday on Nifty 50. Yesterday, as at the opening we could spot, see, Nifty in a way had already made some high, 18,887 high, and from those levels we were trying to make a lower high at a 61.8% retracement is something which I shared yesterday. Now at this same time Bank Nifty was still making new higher highs and Bank Nifty made a higher high. The highest price is 44,151, again a psychological target which got completed. After that, yesterday's opening and there was a follow-up of 2-3 candles and suddenly we identified Nifty was giving up but Bank Nifty was in a way printing a lower high. So in simple way, what we analyzed here is something like, of this fall the retracement is about 78% level, and for Nifty the retracement was around 61.8% retracement level. These Fibonacci levels play a very crucial role and they tell us that now the market does not have strength to go in an upwardly manner and it might reverse, it might turn to the downside. Quickly I'll share my observations. So no bearish trade till Nifty takes out 18,563. This was the important higher low which we discussed yesterday. For Bank Nifty the higher low level was 43,853. Then I posted this message at about 10 a.m. with this similar observations. 68% Fibonacci retracement for Nifty and 78% Fibonacci retracement for Bank Nifty. This was the message which was posted at about 10 a.m. right? And then there was another message, a follow-up message. Then I shorted 44,000 call February option, Bank Nifty 44,000 February option at 1418 rupees. This is just one lot, just an experimental lot because I'm expecting more fall in the coming days. So that is the time I'm planning to add to few more lots to this particular position. And then comes the follow-up. This is the follow-up chart at about 12 o'clock. See, idea is that we have to talk about what is happening in market right now. We are not going to talk about what has happened in yesterday. So we have to always keep on talking about when we are in live market. This was shared in live market 12:36. Idea is that we have to keep on talking about what we are expecting right now. It is not about what has happened 3 days back or 4 days back. It's not what the market is all about. And then the fall continued. In between here I entered into a bullish trade as well, got the stop loss hit, a nominal stop loss, and even that stop loss I think I had mentioned here. So the stop losses were in the system. So 20-point stop loss was there in the system. So I booked this 10-point stop loss on Nifty and a 20-point stop loss in Bank Nifty. These stop losses were taken, and then after that I was euphoric with my 18,100 put option position. So I'll just share all these details with you very quickly. But before we do that, let us go to Nifty chart. Now see, yesterday we saw that in Nifty there is a probability, there is a possibility that after this fall we have got this bounce and there should be a fall, and then market has obliged us beautifully. So much so that the range is broken, 18,850 and 18,500, this range is broken. So this range should be changed to 18,200 now. I'm not going to wait till evening for the weekly market क्या लगता है video. So 18,200 is where I'm expecting this range to be. Now again understand, Nifty must close below this level. Monday's low should be important, and this low, once it is taken out, then the target for Nifty will be very interesting. So let's calculate that target. See, once this low is taken out, then the downtrend begins. The trend changes to downtrend, and the target for that particular move. So target should be 18,197, again a lower range of this particular week. So 18,198 is going to be my first target, and another target will be 18,000. Okay, I'm not saying that these targets will get completed immediately today itself. Yeah, but let's look at it how things pan out. So these are the two targets which I'm currently looking at for Nifty. Eventually this low has to be broken. We might get a pullback. There is no right or wrong here. Just we have to follow the cues of price, and if we open gap down below this level today, nothing like that, then we will continue to keep on giving some more fall, and that fall will be very quick. So we might reach to this level of 18,198, that's 18,200, and eventually we should reach to 18,000 target. For Bank Nifty, see, for Bank Nifty, it is just the beginning, right? So this low is important, critical, and this low should be taken out. Once this low is taken out, then we can say the trend now is changing for Bank Nifty. Okay, and that will be in a way confirmation, and we can trade for the new lower targets. But for now, we do not have any means to calculate these targets, bearish targets for Bank Nifty. So to put it in a simple way, we'll go with this target of 43,100, which was our earlier bullish target. So that target is going to work in a similar manner, and eventually if we break below this will be our first target, and then 43,000 will be our second target. In case if we are breaking below these levels, then very quickly we should reach to 42,780 as well. But let's take one day at a time. At this point in time, we are in an early stage of this reversal, so let's not get euphoric about it, and we have to go take one day at a time, keep position sizing smaller, and then you will be able to make most of this particular trade. Idea of keeping smaller position sizing is that you will be able to manage your emotions and these positions really well. So what I did yesterday at early in the morning, I shorted this 44,000 call option for February expiry for 1400. This is the premium which was there. And in yesterday's day, we got about 400 points out of it. The idea of creating one lot short was to just test how the market is behaving, because Bank Nifty of late was very aggressively bullish. So I never wanted to take an undue risk, because at the same time we had pretty good shorting opportunity for 19,200 call day before yesterday, and then we managed to sell it at about 297. So this is the average price of 274. But even from these levels, or even from the 297 levels, we got around 100 points in this particular trade. So this trade is going fairly well now. Another thing that I have done, and it is working in our favor, is that while hedging, I keep on mentioning that hedging, the purpose of hedging should never only be to get a benefit of margin. What I have done here is, when I have shorted 17,500, I have bought 17,600 for January expiry. How this makes difference is that when 17,500 is going to get increased, this put price is going to get increased, this 17,600 will always be ahead of 17,500. So while this trade is losing somewhere around 16 and 8, so about 24 points, here we have already got 32 points. So this trade is ahead. So this loss is being covered by this hedge. And to keep it even more secure, see, while in the falling market, the falls are rapid. So to make it even more secure, I have again initiated 18,100 put option buy. This will also provide an additional hedge to this particular iron condor. I am into this iron condor. See, initially we had a total combined value of a pair was about 350 rupees. Now that value has come down to 300 rupees. Okay, this is what the beauty about the iron condor is, and that is something that you can see here as well. The February iron condor I'm talking about, February short strangle. which is created into an iron condor. So 51,000 rupees we have pocketed here. But at the same time, the hedges that we have in actual system, they are helping us get better returns. So the returns here in the system are better as compared to the Opsta because we have not added the hedges here. So this is how the trade is going on right now. Even though it is a February strangle, primary focus is given into shorting of call options is something that I want you to understand. The initial short trade was created at 253 and later we added few more shorts at 296 level. So the average price, the combined average price of these shorts is around 274. Guys, understand these things well and make most of this simple strategy. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I wish you a very great trading day ahead. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.